If you need to get sweat stains out of a bra, don't reach for the bleach. Instead, try hydrogen peroxide, which is better at tackling organic stains. Fill a bucket or basin with cold water and add a splash of 3% hydrogen peroxide. Then, put your bra in the bucket. Gently swirl it around in the water to help loosen set-in dirt and stains. Then, let it soak for about 1 hour. Take the bra out of the hydrogen peroxide solution and rinse it with cold water. Then gently squeeze the excess water out. Take care not to wring or twist your bra. Hang your bra up or lay it out flat in a sunny spot to dry. The sunlight will also help remove any lingering stains. If you don't have hydrogen peroxide, you can also try gently spot cleaning the stains with a baking soda paste, mild dish soap, color-safe non-chlorine bleach, or a mixture of equal parts water and lemon juice. Only use lemon juice on white bras, since it could stain bras of other colors.